99% of developers waste hours debugging. But if you give GPT-4 the right instructions, it can fix 500 lines of buggy code in under a minute. This isn't just about copy-pasting code. The difference between a useless response and a revolutionary time machine is the prompt engineering workflow itself. Let's look at the problem. We started with this 500-line service module, riddled with subtle concurrency bugs and memory leaks. A human would spend half a day tracing the stack. The goal wasn't just to fix this. The goal was delegation. We needed GPT-4 to assume the role of a senior architect, identify the root cause, apply the fix, and verify it. Our prompt chain started by setting constraints. You are a principal engineer. The bug is X. Your response must include the corrected code, a bulleted RCA report detailing the failure mode, and 3 specific unit tests to prove stability. The initial attempt provided a solid fix, but it missed a crucial edge case we introduced later. This is where context window management comes in. Instead of starting over, we fed back the failure trace. By providing the failure trace and asking GPT-4 to apply a patch, we moved from fix-it to iterate on the fix. This saved us another 45 minutes of manual back and forth. Finally, we didn't just accept the fix. We pushed back and demanded a comprehensive suite of unit tests in PyTest format to prove its robustness under load. This is moving from AI assistant to quality gatekeeper. Delegating maintenance tasks using this prompt chaining method transforms the debugging chore into a force multiplier. It's not about GPT-4 doing your job, it's about making your instructions so precise that the output is flawless.